Moirang Leiba INA ge Headquarter Asi Mapangal Leiba amatta oina punshinba amadi Khumang Chaoshinba Lamdam Amagi achouba Khudamni haina Manipur leingak ke Works Minister Govindas Konthoujam na phongdokkhre wafam ase Manipur leingak ke Department of Art and Culture amasung Moirang ge INA Local Advisory Committee na silaga Moirang Leiba INA Martyrs Memorial Complex ta pangthokpa Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ke chama kunipan suba mapok numit ki thoramda mahakna phongdokhibane Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ki mitamda leisu katuna hodokhiba thoramadda Minister Govindas Konthoujam hai Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingba leingak asina hagulakliba naha singda Subhash Chandra Bose ta chenkhiba thona amadi mahakna khalamba wakhalon sing tung inba ngamnaba thorang kaya paikhatle madugi saruk ama oina Indian National Army na yawramkhiba leibak asige State manga da lupa crore chama kun kaithokuna naha singda achouba ithil ama pinaba hotnaba lei British ki makhutege lebak asigi ningtamba hanjinnabagidamag kathokhiba Subhash Chandra Bose ki maru oiba kaya India na ningtamba phangkhiba matungdage leingak pairakhiba political party amana chahi kaya namsilaga lakhe Madupumnamak Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingba leingak asina namkhairaga ngasidi Parakram Divas haiduna Prime Minister Masayauna pangthoktuna naha singda Subhash Chandra Bose ke wakhalon leina bahonare Manipur su Chief Minister N Biren luchingba lenga asina Moirang Leiba and Headquarter Asi Miyamgi meeting from khak oihanbagi mahut Pangal Leiba Khumang Chaoshinba amadi amatta oibagi khudam ama oina samgalakli Meeting sana ubangamba Subhash Chandra Bose na chatlamba liklam ngasigi mirol na tung inbagi tangai fadaba lei haina so Minister Govindas na makatana phongdokhe thauramgi sarukama oina nambol maibam lotpa chingmangdage lamthakhiba bike rally aduda saruk yakhiba singda certificate sing su yanthokhe
A politician become a soldier, a leader who lead the march to snatch freedom from the clutches of the British. British ki kudum chansilaga thambadagi freedom se munnanaba naharol kayabu lamjinglaba adugumba nupa amani aduna akoi haibada lanba oiroi mahangna haibiramba freedom is not given freedom is taken freedom ni roi da bulinga sai oja sa tambiramba freedom sin ni roi da bulinga koina mungadam ni bullaga lagadam haiba adugi difference mayam duna masi akoina mahangna ningjaba mahaki united oiba apunba Sakta mama Bharat ki lady banaharo alaman singji mahaki leadership makada akoi punna salam bataragadi masi Bharat si divided India oiramu our country would have remained an united India a strong India a stronger India oiramani adu laibak thibana hajabatai aduna ina ngasigi senglabana minasida akoi punna maksing ase akoi asigumba leader asida akoina akoigi tribute pichari amasung let us recommit ourselves to his ideals of unity, freedom, and progress. Together, let us make Manipur a shining example of Netaji's dream, a land of strength, harmony, and hope.